This is domestic strawberry. Look at this. Hello. Hey. This is a table tennis, right? And now I'm going to show how I play. This is a carrot, right? This is only the like a children carrot. A huge tomato. First of all, it is like a flower. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I came back to my homeland, where I recently, 2 weeks ago, I've planted potatoes.
There's only one of you, and maybe one of me. And for now we got time on our side. I know we'll see through so much we didn't do, and we'll say it all started tonight. 'Cause you are the one on my mind. There's something about you, oh yeah. 'Cause you are the one all this time. I think that we're talking, oh yeah. 'Cause you are the one on my mind. There's something about you, oh yeah. 'Cause you are the one all this time. I think that we're talking, oh yeah.
And now I'm going to show you what it is turned into. Now look at this. This is a potato, all right? This is leaves, right? And here the same, the same things. I don't know what happened in this year, but we have a lot of rain in this year. I think it will be good of our harvest. We will see in the fall. Okay, now I'm going to show you another berries, another kind of plants where we plant several times ago. Okay, I've approached to the house green. This is a building where I constructed, I guess, 7 years ago, right? And here we planted tomatoes. Before it is turns into the huge tomato, first of all, it is like a flower, and it looks like this beautiful flower. Look at this. Here. Oh, this is one of the potatoes. Oh, a tomato, I'm sorry. Again tomato. Дружок. Hey, hello, дружок. Okay, and now I'm going to show you cherry, right? This is a cherry, and I guess 1 month ago I poured with chemicals in order to get rid of some bags. And now I've checked all of the leaves, and I didn't find any bugs on the leaves, and it's a very good sign. And I'm expecting that a good harvest of all of these trees. It will be at least one basket, I mean 10 liters at least from one trees. Let's count one trees. This is like two trees. Here trees will be like a half basket there. Did you see? And we have two more cherry trees in this side of our house, and this is one of the richest, one of the good, well, one of the best trees with cherries. Look at this. First of all, it is like flowers, but they are trying to turn into the berries, right? And this is one more. And if you just, I will show you. Look at this. All of these branches covered by flowers, and this is a will be a good harvest from all of these two trees. And I am expected about 17 liters with the berries, right? But we have not only the cherry, but another kind of berries. We have a raspberry. Raspberry. This is like this one. Give me a second. This one. Unfortunately, right now it's only the wake up. I guess, yeah. Usually in this period of time, all of this raspberry, it's have flowers, and but in this year, as you can see, I have a hat on my head. I don't know what happened, but it's pretty cold weather outside, and yeah, today or on this year, harvest with raspberry will be like a usual. Maybe I guess I'm expected like the same level of harvest in this year with raspberry. Okay, let's go to another kind of berries. And another kind of berries will be currant, and it is almost is ready to be catch. This is only green, but I guess in 2-3 weeks it will be turn into the black color, and it will be ready to catch all of these berries. This bush, this bush here, and this is from this year, from this year, and we won't expect it from this kind of brushes. And I'm going to show you cucumbers. I guess you remember in the previous video when I created a patch, and now I'm going to show you. Give me a second. Oh, look at this. Because of we have a cold weather, we have to cover it and don't open all of these cucumbers, but it's fine for them. It's fine. Yeah, they need only the light, and they need only the water, right? Now I'm going to show you domestic strawberry, right? This is domestic strawberry. Look at this. Hello. Hey. And we have a lot of harvest, a lot of branches. Look, right? The next type of veggie will be cabbage. Do you know what does it mean, cabbage? This is only the first part of the cabbage. This is not like a usual cabbage. It will be it will turn into the usual cabbage in 2 months, when it will be more older. Now it's like a usual usual plan, right? Okay. And the next veggie will be pepper. This is a pepper, and the first type of pepper. And I guess you can see the flowers, right? Here flowers, and they in about, I guess, 2 months it will be like a good solid pepper, right? The next guest in our plan, it is onion. Do you know what does it mean, onion? I guess you know it. This is the top part, but it in the ground it like the invisible part of the, and we will eat as well as highest part. And the next patch will be carrot. This is a carrot, right? This is only the like children carrots. Okay, so the next patch will be with garlic. Do you know what does it mean, garlic? Garlic, this is this type of veggie. All right, and I'll put some picture with the garlic. This is a good veggie if you are sick, right? And you will recover very fast if you use this type of veggie. And we don't have a lot of space for grow cucumbers on the under the covering, but we will plant some cucumbers outside without any covering. And now you can see the poor condition of these cucumbers, right? They are frozen. They were frozen several times ago, and I guess we I won't expect some harvest from this part of vegetables. Yeah. Now I'm going to show you how I play tennis, table tennis. I guess you remember that about 1 month ago I've created the table tennis by my own hand. This is a table tennis, right? And now I'm going to show you how I play.